Alright guys, it's Labor Day, and a few years ago we made a video of turbo in a Civic. Go check that out if you're interested. But this Labor Day we're gonna be back up here working on Jake's 91 foxbody. We're gonna work on tearing all the brake booster and all that stuff out, along with trying possibly get the AC out and get it all ready to where you can get this rust on this frame rail taken care of on both sides. The passenger side is worse than the driver's side, but just got to do a little bit of prep work to make everything clean and out of the way to where they can get in there and get it done real easily and real smoothly. But I'm going to get to work on taking that brake booster out. Once I get done with a few things, I'll get back to you guys and we'll have an update for you. All right guys, back for our update. It's been a little while. Went ahead, pulled all the HVAC stuff out of the dash. He pulled the dash out between now and the last time I was up here when we pulled the engine. Also got the brake booster out with the master cylinder. We just cut the brake lines because we're going to be running new lines. But had to get a bunch of stuff out of the way to be able to get this stuff figured out. Not as exciting as the last Labor Day car ordeal, but nonetheless it's just as fun. Going to go ahead and throw in some other content with this. We took the other Jake Wyrick's blue fox body out and made a hit on the road, and he did a 2 to 3 shift and a little bit of the third it ran, but it didn't run very long. The oil pump ended up locking up, and it stripped the roll pin for the distributor going to the cam, and it snapped the rod that the distributor runs the oil pump or whatever. It snapped that little rod at the bottom, and I'm not too big on these Fords, so Jake's over there laughing at me. But yeah, snapped that rod in the center, and now he's going with a 351 possibly. We'll find out here within next upcoming few weeks. But for this, after the rust is all fixed, it'll start coming together. Also, if any of you guys know where we can find a harness for a carbureted fox body Mustang, would really appreciate it. We're in the market for one, because we really don't want to have to go through and strip this entire mess, especially if somebody could use it and they have a carbureted harness and would like, and we could work out a trade here with this. But really don't want to destroy the factory harness that's in it. It's a lot of work, and somebody might also need it. Also, still looking for a 8.8 rear end. If any of you guys have any leads on a decent price for one of those, we'd be interested in that as well. But figured I'd let you guys know what happened to Jake's car. I'll throw it in right after this, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And you'll probably get this in about a week from today. So yeah, heads and the fox body. If you haven't seen any of the videos on it, go check it out. But we're at an undisclosed location. We're gonna do a couple hits.
Derek, stop.
Hey, hold up.
Stop just a second. Pump the hood.
There's a puddle back here. We gotta see what this is. Ooh, that's a pretty good sized puddle. It's fuel. Shut her off. Shut her off. Hey, shut it off. It's fuel. It's fuel.
Oh, yeah.
It's fuel.
Kill it.
Kill it.
Kill it. You're dumping fuel. The line.
The main line.
All right, got the leak fixed. It was the main feed line, and we just had some extra hose, luckily. So just cut the length and put it on, and we're ready to rock and roll again.
Light and my mic.
Which one are you gonna bang the light with?
I don't know. He'll probably just go whenever.
Okay.
He may make a light. I'm doing recording stuff.
Well, what do you want to? Yeah, shine on the rear tires, like.
Oh, I got a videotape the rear tire.
Well, I'm putting it on in this video here, so. Yep.
There you go.
Hey, you're supposed to keep it running.